What's poppin', Rolly Gang family? I never wanted to start a vlog off like this, but this sucks, man. So basically, we got a hazmat spill on the trailer. I just got done getting unloaded. For the most part, it's 10 totes, so it's supposed to be a quick unload. They got 9 of them out quick. Then they just came and told me, hey, we got 1 tote that's leaking. We can't accept it. I'm like, what? You can't accept it? So I'm about to show y'all what it looked like. And y'all could, you know, it's leaking, bro.
What's up, Rolly Gang?
So this is the issue we got right here. Spilled everywhere. Spilled everywhere. So the problem is right here. This. Whoever put this on, they didn't seal it correctly. The little black ring down there, they didn't seal it correctly. So it's got the hazmat chemical leaking everywhere. Everywhere. And no, I don't know, man. I don't know. Like this my first hazmat chemical spill. The only option is they gotta come clean this up. I can't even move until this back here clean up. They gotta come clean this up. They gotta figure out if, after they clean it up, if they want to keep it or if they want me to send it all the way back to where I picked it up in Sauget, Illinois. So I'm about, a few minutes here. I think I might have to get some pads or something to start the process. Yeah, what you gonna do, Bob? Yeah. We can get it out of there. That's what we gotta do. I got a guy coming and fix that ring. Merc Shields is coming, he's gonna fix that ring before. Careful! All it is the rubber gasket when they put the ring on. So what is it? What is the product? Sinoflex. Which is it an inhibitor? Yeah. Okay, that's what I thought it was. So when they put it on, they let the rubber drop. The rubber's sitting around the neck. It's not even in the ring. So he's gonna come. Alright, so what are we gonna do about the clean that though? I have no idea how. It's gonna be pads, put some pads down. I think when he transports, when he starts backing up with the forklift, this thing starts leaking. You think? Well, if we can have him fix it in place, once we pick it up, it shouldn't be leaking. Alright, so it's just combustible, flammable. Yeah. Got there any kind of, I'm trying to look at the freaking UN sheet on it. Inhalation, toxic by inhalation in large amounts. Yeah, she almost, can't smell it. He should have been on the way over here. So, yeah, so we get to that position, we get the thing sealed off. Or cat litter, so that we start absorbing the shit. And actually, that would probably be maybe something we would do before he starts fooling with it. So I'm about to go in here. I need to call the agent right quick. I need to call Landstar Hazmat Department right quick. Notify all them. And then I guess we just gotta sit and wait and figure out where to go from here. So I'm about to walk back to my truck and make these calls right quick. Rolly. First step, notify the Landstar Hazmat. How you doing?
Hey, this is Jean Hutchins at Cargo Loss Prevention.
Hey. I got
I
a
understand that.
go ahead, I'm sorry.
Go ahead. One of your totes, is it a tote or a drum?
It's a tote. It's a metal tote.
What's in it?
UN 1993 flammable liquid.
What's your breakdown number?
Hold on, let me look it up for you.
Look how much shit they put in there. Walk slow. That motherfucker's over full, if you ask me. That's just too much shit in there. I'm gonna re-gasket it. I get it all cleaned up. I'm gonna put the gasket back on there and tighten the shit out of it. I just think they put too much shit in there. You know, you got, I don't know. I ain't never opened one when it was full before, but that's a lot of shit. Plus what's spilled out, right? Yeah. So, let's see what I can do. Try to seal it up, but just you walking back here, you seen it rocking? Yeah.
Yeah, I see that, man. We at first, like in the beginning, we all thought that it was because the seal was leaking, which it was, which the seal was leaking. But once you take the seal out, take the top of it off, you see, like literally they filled it up to the brim. So it's like no matter how you move it, if the seal isn't on correctly, which is an issue, that stuff is gonna come out no matter what. Like that stuff is literally at the brim. Like it don't got no room to go nowhere but out. You know, especially when it ain't sealed correctly. So he doing what he gotta do, man. He back over there, he putting the seal and stuff on, sealing it up. He trying to clean the tote or whatever. Yeah, I see dude before that he put the pads and everything on. So now we just gotta get somebody, once they get that tote off there, then we gotta get somebody to come over here and clean the floor, make sure that it's completely clean. Then I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about my next load, because my next load is supposed to pick up at 1 and I'm 4 hours away from there. So I'm gonna check in out once we see them get it out and whatever the next step is. Rolly. He definitely cleaned it up. There's still some hazmat down there that need to be soaked up.
I got around it pretty good.
It's still leaking out right here.
Well, that's just dripping from when I squeezed
Oh,
that
okay.
gasket.
Yeah.
That's how I'm getting ready to wipe that up. You know, every time I pulled on it here, on that bolt, I tapped it with the hammer to get it to move in together. You can't just pull on here and expect the whole thing to work, you know?
Yeah.
You'll pinch that gasket or shift it. So.
Alright y'all, so it's 11:29, man, and they got the tote off of there, cleaned out the trailer. Now I gotta wait for the safety guy to come in and inspect the trailer to make sure it's good for me to go. I got another load I gotta pick up in Orange, Texas. Supposed to pick it up at 1 o'clock. It's now, like I said, 11:39 or something like that. So I don't even know. It say they open till 11. It ain't open window, it's appointment time. I gotta call the agent that I booked that load from to see what they wanna do. Then I still gotta run into Hurricane Nicholas going through Houston, because that load gotta go to Laredo. This is just one of those days in trucking, man. Man, we at our next pickup. Finally, we had to drive 4 hours over here from Oswego to Orange, Texas, and we picked up this load over here in Orange, Texas. My trailer's in the door right now. We still got a green light over there. Trailer has to be cleaned. I cleaned it as best I could. They cleaned it. They definitely cleaned it. But what I'm realizing is it's a leak in there from the rain and stuff like that. So the floor was a little wet, so I wiped the floor up as much as I could. So I'm hoping that they don't see that leak and they don't stop me from getting loaded because of it. But we gonna see. I'm just about to chill here. I got unhooked from the trailer. There's people down there waiting to get loaded and getting unloaded. So we gonna see what they say, man. Hopefully everything works out. This letter is going to Laredo, Texas. I only paid $2,000, so, but it was just to get me out of what the hell is that? Oh, why me? Man, today was a terrible day. I just seen some sparks and stuff flying off the back of my trailer. Come back here. Got a flat tire. We got a stinking flat tire. And then to make it worse, we at the Petro and they closed. They closed. So I got to call Landstar, see if they can have somebody come out here, fix my tire tonight. I'm gonna have to take my 10-hour break here. And it's just, I don't know, man. Then this dude right here, bagging right here. And I wanted to leave space for whoever come fix my tire. Today has been one of those days in trucking, man. It really, really has. This mug is done, done, done. Done, 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 done. This is the one time I wish we had a love, so let me call Landstar, man, and see what they gonna do. Go from there. Roll it.
1 hour later.
Alright, my Rolling Gang family. Loves is here, baby. Loves is here. Shout out to Loves. Loves is here to change my tire. They said it was gonna be 90 minutes. It literally probably took like an hour for them. He getting all my trailer information. Then he about to come change his tire. Then we can get some sleep. Take our 10-hour break here. And it's just gonna be what it's gonna be. Alright, Rolling Gang family, this is the end of this blizzy vlog. This was a very, very interesting day. From a hazmat spill to fighting with Nicholas, whatever the hurricane is, to a flat tire. I'm done for the day. So thank y'all. Like, share, subscribe. Turn me up, Rolling Gang. Don't turn me down.